Some pretty amazing news for you today, showing you the new Webintelligence consumer user interface that is part of SP4 that we are going to launch at May 8th, so mark your calendars. But that's not all, there's also a new launchpad that I will also demonstrate to you. My name is Iver van Zand, Global Analytics for SAP. Well, let's talk about the new Webintelligence consumer interface currently seen on the screen. I'm using a report informing you about statistics of the recent Olympic Games in Brazil. This is a comparison report. As you can see, the moment that I hover over the page, I get this navigation elements on the bottom of the page. I can zoom in, I can fit to width or make a full page. There's also statistics information available over here, and you can see the very simplified and sleek user interface. Of course, I can save my report and refresh it the moment I want. I'd like to ask your attention for this filter button over here. If I tick it, I can quite easily change or rerun the prompts. But for example, if I want to have a look at my own country, Belgium, okay, against, well, let's have a look. Let's see, compare that to, for example, Greece. Okay, that you see how easy this works. And well, we were lucky to beat Greece apparently in these statistics. I can also set or reset my drill filters or add them. I will show you that in a later phase. And asking your attention right now how to navigate through the report. So as you can see over here, if I untick the filter button, I have also the option to change the various elements of the report. So previously these were tabs. Now I can have a look, for example, at the results in more detail, which gives me this overview, which is a ranking per type of sports and looking at the results. Quite interesting over here is if I use the button on the top right hand where I can go to advanced mode. So let me click that. And the moment I click that button, I can, for example, over here, click a visualization, change the sorting order. So I can also change the ranking. For example, if I tick this ranking button and say I'd like to see the top 4 of the athletes' goals for this sport, yeah, you can easily see it over here. So very intuitive and easy way of using and applying filters. If I tick the filter button, you see that the filter is added over here. Yeah. Behind the 3 little dots is a little bit more capabilities to work on. So I can put in a quick display mode, which brings me to a very easy digestible display. I have various options to export my report, so I can do it towards Excel, PDF or HTML with various options that I can use, applying the filters or not that I set up in my report. Also, there is some properties over here where I can find the general information, statistics of my reports, various options that are applicable to my report. I can have my detailed navigation setups and a full embedded search engine. There is a setup of how the report can be navigated in detail if you add various subsections, and very importantly, there is a commenting facility where I can say I can put in a comment towards my report that others can use. So very simple and easy way of navigating. Let me show you a last element of this report. So for example, the medals section over here, which shows you a little bit other layout of what we've created. Here you see various types of graphs that are available in the new consumer interface. Again, I can tick the filters and say, well, I, for example, want to see all continents, which gives me this overview, yeah, with less metadata. The moment that I filter and say, well, I want to have a look at the continent of Europe, you will see my geograph automatically adjusted, and I can tick a certain country to go into more detail, or again say, well, I'd like to sort the top countries as I wanted to get another overview or filter settings. Well, thanks for your attention. I hope you like the new consumer interface. For the moment, the developer interface has not been changed yet. Rumors are that that is going to happen in the future. But if we talk about winning your end users and have them having an excellent user experience, I think the new Webintelligence SP4 consumer interface of this product is excellent. So let's have a look now at the new Launchpad and see you soon.